Okay, so I'm not going to spend too long on this final extrude. And this, well, I say final, it's not actually the final one. There is another one that I'll go into, but this is the final one under the extrude options, and that's extrude to cursor. Now, this one is, well, how do I describe this? It's very odd to say the least. I'm going to probably use one of these cuboid ones to do this. First things first, let's select a face. So I've got this face here. You can see where I've been crossing things over so much. And then I'm going to go into this extrude, and it basically does what it says on the tin. Wherever you click, the actual face will head off in that direction. Obviously, if you click and hold, you can be a bit more elastic with it. You can pull it around. But that is how simple extrude to cursor is. Good for creating a bit of wackiness, but overall, it's not one of the best things. But if you did decide you want this one to be, roughly up here, you can then play around with the individual transforms over here. You should, as I said, be able to just play around with this at your leisure, really. Anyway, that's simple. Yeah, I'm not going to spend any more time on that. That is how you extrude to your cursor. Simple.